Hello, and welcome back to my channel, IQD to USD Iraqi Dinar. Is a major financial shift on the horizon? The Iraqi dinar has been a topic of intense speculation, and recent developments suggest that significant changes could be on the way. While official sources remain tight-lipped due to non-disclosure agreements, various reports indicate that Iraq is making substantial progress toward financial reforms that could impact the dinar's value. Let's dive into the latest insights and what they could mean for investors and observers. Compliance with IMF regulations. According to recent updates, Iraq has reportedly met all the necessary requirements to be in full compliance with Article 8 and Article 4 of the International Monetary Fund, IMF. These regulations govern currency stability and international trade, and meeting these criteria could pave the way for a reevaluation of Iraq's currency on the global stage. Compliance with these articles is a crucial step toward economic sovereignty and greater integration into the global financial system. Historically, when countries align with these requirements, their currencies often experience notable shifts in value. Government commitment to financial reforms. In another promising development, the Iraqi government has reaffirmed its commitment to implementing vital financial and economic reforms, as confirmed to the World Bank. These reforms are seen as a necessary foundation for adjusting the exchange rate, making the dinar more competitive in international markets. Inside sources suggest that critical meetings are taking place behind closed doors, finalizing the steps needed to announce these financial changes. Although the exact details remain undisclosed, all indications suggest that Iraq is on the verge of a major financial transformation. Kurdistan's role in the economic shift. The Kurdistan region is also drawing attention, particularly regarding non-oil revenues. Traditionally, Iraq's economy has been heavily dependent on oil exports, but the growing significance of other sectors could signal a shift toward a more diversified and stable economic model. If non-oil revenues continue to rise, Iraq could reduce its reliance on fluctuating oil prices, providing more confidence in the long-term stability of the dinar. Hidden clues in the Iraqi budget. Economic experts believe that key indicators of an impending exchange rate adjustment may be buried within the Iraqi national budget. Some analysts suggest that discrepancies in the figures could be linked to planned financial changes that have yet to be publicly disclosed. Adding to the speculation, reports indicate that Iraqi banks have temporarily halted the issuance of new loans and advances. While this might appear concerning at first, many believe it is a strategic move in anticipation of upcoming financial policies. The lack of liquidity in the market suggests that banks are awaiting the green light to operate under a revised economic framework. Current exchange rate and potential adjustments. At present, the official exchange rate remains at 1,310 dinars per US dollar for documentary credits and electronic transactions. However, the cash exchange rate has been fluctuating, which could indicate an upcoming adjustment. Some observers speculate that these discrepancies in pricing may hint at a strategic shift in monetary policy. What this means for dinar holders. For those who have invested in or closely follow the Iraqi dinar, these developments could be highly significant. If the anticipated reforms materialize, the dinar could experience a substantial revaluation, potentially increasing its value in international markets. The involvement of major institutions such as the International Monetary Fund, World Bank, and the Central Bank of Iraq suggests that any forthcoming changes will be carefully managed to ensure stability. However, as with any financial speculation, it is crucial to stay informed and approach the situation with a balanced perspective. Final thoughts. While nothing has been officially confirmed, the pieces seem to be aligning for a potential economic transformation in Iraq. The combination of IMF compliance, government-backed reforms, a shift in financial policies, and strategic banking decisions all point toward an imminent change. As developments continue to unfold, staying updated on the latest news will be essential for anyone following the Iraqi dinar. If these reforms come to fruition, they could mark the beginning of a new financial era for Iraq, bringing both opportunities and challenges for investors and the country's economy. Stay tuned for further updates as this situation evolves.